Yeah, so we will start now. You open the SQL. So today what we are going to talk about is this joins. Okay. Now, let me first share my screen. My voice is not clear? One second, let me rejoin. One second. So there is some network issue here. Can you hear me now? Hello? No, it's still not clear. Yeah, now can you hear me? Now it is clear, everyone? Okay, great. Now let's start with the MySQL. Yeah, here it is. And those who are working on this data set, that is, where was that? BQL. BQL. Yeah, those who are working on this data set, the neobanks, you can relate to this thing based on your data. Okay, let me first write use word. Now see, let's first try to understand what joins are. Joins are basically used to connect two tables based on a column or group of columns. Remember, in Power BI, we have created relationship. Remember? Guys, you remember the relationships we have created in Power BI? The data modeling we have done? That is a kind of join. So basically, when we talk about joins, so join is used to combine data from two tables. It can be two or more than two, it depends. Okay. For example, let's see the neobanks data first. Neobanks has customer transaction, customer and region. So if I want to find the region of customer, how will I do that? That the relationship is already there, that exists. Let me show you. This is region. Customer. Okay, so this is region. Region, we have two columns, ID and name. And customer ID has customer ID. You can see region ID, customer name, account number, and all these things. Now, if I want to connect these two tables or get data from region table to customer, there must be something in common between these two. You getting my point? All of you? Okay. Now, so this is how we use the joins. Joins are basically used to combine two tables. Okay, data from two tables. Clear? So here we have this world data. Now you see that in world we have two tables, city and country. Let's first fetch data from country. Country and let's see country and country population. Okay, I'll search for country and country population. Select asterisk from country. Now you see, if I want to fetch the language of Afghanistan or Angola, how can I do that? I can do it with this. And you see, this code here is a primary key, and here this country code is also a primary key. That is just a coincidence. The correction key can be non-primary as well. Okay, so if I want to check the population or anything related to it, I can join these two tables using this. Now, how many types of joins exist? First, let's try to understand that. So the first join that is there is full join. Full join means, let me show you. Now, these are two tables. You can name them any, let's say table 1, table 2. Now, 1 and 2. Now you see here, table 1, table 2, that if I use full outer join, in full outer join, the result is going to be A, B, A, C, A, B, D. This is the result of full outer join. This is the result of full outer join. Clear? All of you? Guys, is it clear? A is repeating, A will repeat. That is what full outer join means. All the records from both the table. Full outer join. A, B, A, C from first, A, B, D from second. Yes, full outer join will take records from both the table. Guys, waiting for your input. Okay, now let's talk about left join. So left join returns the data from all the data from left table and matching records from B table. That is, if you do the left join here, what we say, what is this table? 1 and 2. So if I do the left join from table 1 and 2, so what I'm going to get is record from table A. In diagrammatical way, I'll show you. Just let me clear the diagram. I'll show you a simple diagram. This you all have done. This is a this circle. Then there is this circle. Okay. Now this is table A, table B. Outer join. 1 second. I think so. The battery of my headphones is very less. Just a minute. This is left outer join. All the records from table A and matching from B. Right join. This is right join. Correct? Inner join. This is inner join. Okay. So let's start. So first of all, I want to see everyone, please put your focus here. If I want to fetch the records, or if I want to fetch, yesterday we have done the alias name as well. So we'll be using alias name here. Country will be called as CNT now. Okay. Country we will be calling as CNT. Just a minute. So first we will talk about this inner join. Okay. Now let's see. To write as CNT or this, no. As clause is not required. Without as it will work. I'll show you. See, this will fine. As is not required. You want, you can have it. Otherwise, it is not required. Let me write it. For your clarity, I'll write it. I want to join this table. I want to see. I want to select code, name, continent, and population from first table. Let me show you. cnt.code, comma, cnt.name, comma, cnt.continent, comma, cnt.population from table 1. And you see, we are having these 4 columns only. Now see how I will perform the join. So I will perform inner join. Inner join, which table? Table name. Table name is country language. Country language. And this you can give as CL. As CL. Country language as CL. On which column? I'm repeating this thing. Select cnt.code, cnt.name, cnt.continent, cnt.population from country as CNT. Inner join country language as CL. That is, I am performing inner join for this country language table on which column? What is the column? So column is code. So I'll write that cnt.code equals cl.code. Otherwise, if you don't give this thing, let's say you give this code, now tell me how you will find it. Let's say, for example, the name is code only. For here, it is country code. But if you get the name, same name, code, so SQL will throw you error for ambiguity. That is, it will not be able to find that, okay, which column you are talking about. Are you talking about country language or are you talking about country? So it will throw you an error. Let me show you. I think we have in city and this is there now. So if you connect city and country language, you will find this error. Alias name are just in NumPy. You have done this thing. Import NumPy as NP. So we used to call NumPy as NP. Same thing here. We are calling this country table to CNT. So we have to write cl.code, that is from country language, equals to cnt.code. Now hit enter. Error is coming up, I think so. cl.code does not exist. It is country code. Country code. This record is coming up. Okay, this record is coming up. I don't know whether all the records are coming up even or not. Yeah, you see, repeated records are there. See, records are getting repeated up. Reason? Because there are multiple what we say languages there. So you see, these are repeated up. Let me show you this. Take this column as well. Now I want to take cl dot language column. See, Aruba, North America, population this, Dutch, North America, this. See, the records are getting repeated in here. Understood the joins, how they are happening? Inner join, because it will return you data matching from both the tables only. For left right, you just have to replace inner with left. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes. You see this first, understand the flow and clear your doubts, and then we will move. Full join, you write full outer join. For full join, you write full outer join. This time. Full outer join. I'll explain this. I'll take this example of neobanks as well. I'll take the example for neobanks. Does everyone see this thing? Clear off with the flow and doubt first. Then we will see the neobanks as well. No, Shruti, it will not flow. It will not throw the error. Reason, there is a what we say, flow in this SQL query. We say order of execution. So basically, first from clause is executed, then where clause, then group by, then having, then select, then order by, and then limit. So when you are executing it, so it is automatically finding, okay, you are first joining it. So from clause is declared there only. So that's why it will not throw error. Select will come at the end. You can note it down. It is from, let me write it here. From where, group by, having, select, order by, limit. Guys, you have 5 more minutes. Okay, Manish, I'll explain the syntax. So first, you are taking two tables. You want to perform join between two tables. So you are selecting country code from country table, name from country table, continent from country table, population from country table. Then you are performing an inner join between these two tables, country and country language. So you are writing cl.country code and cnt.code. Now, when this join is performed, then you will take up this language, cl.language column. So this is the flow. So you are taking this from this table, this here, this, this, and then we have CL language. So CL language is this. Clear, everyone? We are not selecting it in country. We are selecting it or selecting the columns. It's not in country. It's from this. This clause will be executed first. I'll just highlight this bit. This clause is going to be executed first. Show me the error report. Show me the screenshot report. Okay, 1 second. So you are getting error because see, after as CNT you are writing colon. See, semicolon is there. Vibhor, semicolon is there, and after population you need to write comma cl.language. You cannot only execute inner join. Clear? Okay. Now, so for left join, you write just left over here, like left, and execute it. You will get all the records. Manish, please share the screenshot. Please share the screenshot. This on means that you are joining these two tables on this column. You are joining these two tables on this column, that is CL. Understood? Yes, there is one table only. Use word semicolon. Use word semicolon. After word semicolon is missing. Left outer is left only. Left outer is left only. No, Abur, one table join is there. See, this is the one table that we are joining. Acha, that sense. So no, there are two tables. In that sense, there are two tables. We are joining two tables. Country and country language. See, country and country language. Here, Apur. Apurv, is it clear? Please tell. Okay. So here we are in neobanks. Let's see in neobanks. So neobanks, you can see if we want language in first column, how we perform. Just replace the CL language to the previous here. Just put this CL language here. Put this CL dot language here. Which thing not clear, Apurv? I am joining two tables, country and country language. What exactly is not clear? Please tell that. Elaborate your question. We are joining two tables, country and country language. Elaborate your question. Now here we see this customer transaction. We have customer. We have region. Okay. Now, in total we have, let me see, select. Which thing, Apurva? Your question is not clear to me. Kindly clear your question. Write your question clearly. Select asterisk from region. Select asterisk from region, we have around 50 records. Okay. 50 records are there. Now in customer data, we also have region. Let's see that first. Select asterisk from customer. Now in customer, you can see there are only these regions 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Correct? Can you see all of you? Can you see these regions 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? Now here you see if I execute this region, so I should be able to see only these three records 1, 2, 3, and you will not see any record related to Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, Mathura, Jaipur, and so on till Moradabad. You will not be able to see any result. Reason? Because there are only three records, three columns here. Sorry, not three columns. 1 second. You can see there are only three records. 231, 231, 213, 24. Acha, 4 is also there, and something like this. Not all the records are there. Let me show you how it looks like. Select CST, you can write. Select CST dot customer ID or customer name. For your thing, I'll write the region as well. Okay, CST dot region ID, and then I will take CST dot balance, CST dot age. Very simple. All the 4 columns we are getting 4 columns. Now, inner join with which table? Inner join is region. We can make it R. Region on R dot region underscore ID equals. Let me show you the error first. If you directly write region ID equals to region ID, what error you will get? See, column region ID in clause is ambiguous. That's the same thing I said. Ambiguity. You will get the ambiguity here. So when you are having ambiguity here, what you have to do is you use this clauses over here. CST dot region ID, and I'll write R dot region underscore name. Hit enter. You will see Delhi, Mumbai, Lucknow, Delhi, Mumbai, Lucknow, Delhi, Chennai, Lucknow, Mumbai, Delhi. All these records only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will not see any record related to 5. Can you? No. Understood what exactly is this thing? No, there are not 200 records. Sorry, there are 200 records here, but those related to only these region IDs. That's it. So you are not getting all the regions. See, main thing is you are not getting all the regions. What you are getting is only those regions which are mapped in with here in this table. Waiting for your input. Oh, 1 second. This will give me this record only. What happened? Just a minute. Acha, हाँ, we are using MySQL. So, okay, no, sorry. In MySQL, you don't have full join. Directly, you cannot do that. Full join. Directly, you cannot give full outer join. What you have to do is in this MySQL, take the left outer join and then take the right outer join and then union those two. Full outer. My bad. I was thinking on the perspective of SQL Server SQL Server. So in SQL Server you can do full outer join, but here you cannot do. Full join is not possible here directly. No clauses there. No, it's MySQL does not allow us to do that. You don't have a keyword for it. Guys, please clear this doubt. I'll give you 5 minutes. Please go through it. Cross join. No, don't go with cross join. Cross join is first of all currently out of scope for us, and cross join is a totally different thing. It will generate multiple records. It does multiplication. If you have 5 records in first table and 5 records in another table, so you will end up getting 25 records. Is it clear, everyone? Guys, is it clear? You'll get all the records matching from left table. Left means customer table. What is the purpose of this? Not equals, you'll get blank. If you use this thing, you will get blank record. Null, nothing. Remember that is this over here, you will not get anything. Or you will get all the records. If you use or, that is a basic logic over here. If you use or, you will get all the records. See? Amit, region name, Moradabad, Bareilly, Hubli, Solapur, all the records you will be getting. As is not mandatory, yes. You can say it behaves like outer join. But direct outful outer join is not possible. You cannot do that. You cannot do it. Okay. Can we move? In outer full join, if data values are not present in table 2, also we get the values like null. Like that. You'll get all the record. Yes. Clear? All of you? Let me show you group by clause. Show the total population of each continent. Each continent. First of all, use world, select asterisk from country. This we have. Now you have to have total population for each continent. So for total population, first of all, you need to do the sum. I'll do the summation. First of all, you need continent. Total population means what? Continent and total sum of it. Sum of population. So how we do that? Let me show you. Continent, comma, sum of population as population from country. Now what you have to do, you need to perform the group by. So when you will be getting this population, how you want that calculation to be calculated, that sum to be calculated. So for that purpose, you need to combine everything. That is, you need one grouping. So I'll write group by continent. See this. Clear? You can use group by for more than one columns as well. What was that thing? Let me check. Country. Let me show you. Region. Let me show you region. So region, if you are using, you need to group it by region as well. Group by continent, comma, region. Okay. If you let me not do this thing. Group by you have done. Now you want to order it as well. You can use order by continent. Asia, then Europe, then North America, then Africa, then Oceania, then Antarctica, and then South America. And I don't know why this order by is not working correct for some reasons. Antarctica actually should not come here. One minute, let me check. The clause is everything is correct. DESC. Okay, there is something wrong with this, but I don't know why it is getting the not getting the correct result. Everything is correct except for Africa and this Antarctica. I don't know why they are coming up. Let me write region as well. No, not working. Okay, leave it. Continent is coming correct. That's all. That's it. Okay, that's okay for me. I want to keep it with continent wise, so I'll just write it continent only. There is some issue with this only. So yeah, Asia and Europe. Let me remove this order by. We don't need that order by. Better we'll just do this thing. And yeah, here we do this. Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, South America. No, we will not select total population. We'll just use this only. We'll not select total population. That will not work. Leave it. It's not working here. Leave it. Just understand this group by. Clear? Why total Asia is not summing up? Where total Asia? It's summing up. See, total Asia is summing up. See, Asia. It's summing up. Clear, everyone? Guys, are we good on this thing? I want answers from everyone. No, we can pass two columns. We can pass two columns. In order by, we can pass two columns. That's no issue. No issues. We can pass that. Fetch the average life expectancy. Average life expectancy for each region. Write a query for it quickly. Write a query for it. Okay. Give the name to that column as well, alias, and otherwise you'll have that. Select region. Yeah, it's correct, Adarsha. It's correct. Yes, that's correct. Manjula, that is missing. Your region is missing there. That will not give you the correct result. It's not the correct code. It's wrong. Shruti, it's correct. Okay. Let me show you. Select region, comma, average. What was that? Life expectancy. Life expectancy as average LE. You can give that from country, group by region. See, coming up over. Got it, everyone? Okay. Let me give you another question. One more problem statement. Find the maximum and minimum surface area for each region. It's pretty simple. I'll give you just 3 minutes, quickly solve this thing. You just need to edit the previous code. That hint I have given you. Try it out quickly. Manjula, this will be missing the names. First of all, this code is wrong. Group by cannot be combined together. It should be two different things. And second thing, you should give a column name, alias name, column name, proper column name. Select region max surface area. Yes, it's correct, Rimita. No, Kamaljot, it's wrong. Rimita, that is correct. Acha, okay. 2 times it has been sent. Ha, it's correct, Shruti. It's correct. No, Harshita, it's wrong. Let me show you. All of you, please see. Select region, comma, max of surface area it is. As max underscore SA, comma, minimum surface area as min SA from country, group by region. So you can have these minimum and maximum surface areas from each country. Okay. I think so. Highest will be somewhere in. Achha, no, not in India. Antarctica is little different. Nothing, nothing. Is it clear, everyone? Are we good on this thing? Any doubts? No? Okay. So we'll go for a break. And after this, after the break, we have a very interesting thing where we will be using where group by having order by all the clauses in one go. So we'll see them one by one. Okay. So let's go for the break and we'll meet after 10 minutes. Now, can we move? Hello. Can we move ahead? Guys, we move. Hello. So our next thing is having clause. So we'll see first having clause, how it works. So basically having clause is kind of similar to where clause, but the difference is having clause works on aggregation. That is, suppose your question is, I want to find those regions which are having more than 15 countries. That is, I want these records: Western Africa, Middle East, Eastern Africa, and Caribbean. I want to see all the records where total number of country is greater than 15. Got it? Guys, you understood the problem statement? I want to find total countries. Sorry, I want to find only those regions which are having total countries more than 15. Or in other words, you can say great, like let's include 15 as well. So we'll have Southern Europe as well. Understood the problem statement? What I'm trying to say? Let me write it here. Fetch all the records or all the regions which have more than 15 countries. First, tell me if question is clear or not. Clear? Okay. So actually, Manjula has shared one query that will also work, but I will show you how having clause works here. So since we are grouping it, so having clause is used with group by only. You cannot use it without group by. You need to use group by clause. So group by region, Manjula, that will throw you an error. You cannot use having without group by. So group by region having count of code is country code. Okay. Code greater than equals to 15. You see, you are getting these all record. Southern Europe, Western Africa, Middle East, Eastern Africa, Caribbean. Clear? You can write total country as well. Other way, total country as well. Both will work. Both will work. Okay. Guys, I'll give you 5 minutes. Quickly go through it and clear of your doubts. Then we will move forward. What happened, everyone? Is today's session getting boring? Today is actually the last session for this SQL. You don't have to bear me from next week. So don't worry, today is the last one. No, so my basic funda in life is uh, if you are making any topic, any subject, talk it about school subjects, talk it about technical subject, technical topics, or anything. If you are making it boring, you are not less than a criminal. That is my basic funda. So I only pick up those topics and I only give training on those topics which I am confident on, and I can clear off all the doubts. So that only I don't. There is a quote for physics. This is a quote for physics. The person who makes physics boring is not less than a criminal. So yeah, the same thing. So I'll suggest you all as well, if you grow in this, you grow in this industry, and somewhere at point you want to give trainings. So better be in a situation that pick up only those topics for training which you are on, which you are totally confident on. If any doubt or anything comes up, you can clearly solve that query. Yeah, no issues. Okay, can we use between? You can use that. You can use that. You can use that between. Should I give a problem statement for you to solve? Okay. Having total population more than 50 crore or 100 crore. Yeah, all the same. Fetch all the regions having total population more than 100 crore. Select region some population as topic from country group by having total population. Yes, correct. Correct. It's correct. Okay. Let me show you how it is done. Select region, comma, sum of population as total population from country, group by region having sum of population greater than 100 crore, right? So 100 crore has 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 100 crore? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's 100 crore. 100 crore has 9 zeros. Only two countries you will be getting. Greater than or equals to, yeah, you can write, but I don't think so. Greater than equal to will work because working as in, you'll not get any difference in the result. Both the things are same. Got it? Any doubts in this thing? Any doubts? No? Is any doubts? Please tell. Okay. Now my next thing is we have to fetch all the regions having more than 15 countries and sort the highest first. That means I want to show the highest one first and then lowest one. So how to do that? See, you just have to remember the sequence. The sequence purpose, that I'm showing you the sequence over here. So how it works, let me show you. Here, understand the problem. Acha, rest of you, please tell if it is clear or not. Only two answers I have received. What about others? What happened? Okay. Understand the problem statement. So the problem statement is fetch all the regions having more than 15 countries and sort the highest first. So this will give me all the countries, but this is not sorted up. The first is Caribbean. Okay. Second, it should be Eastern Africa, then Middle East, then Western Africa, and then Southern Europe. Okay. Let me better have 10. If I have in 10, what we have? 10 is a better result. We have at least something over here. Greater than 10. Greater than 10. How to sort it? Very simple. Just write order by. You can have two things. Either you order by count of code. This is the one way to do it. Okay. This is the one way. Now let me tell you the other way. Other way. What's the other way? Other way is this. Now this is the ascending. You have to have descending. Have this in descending and have this in descending. Okay. 24, 20, 18, 17, 15, 14, 14, 1. Caribbean, Eastern Africa, Middle East, Western Africa, Southern Europe, Southern and Central Asia, South America, Southeast Asia. I'll give you 5 minutes, quickly go through it and let me know for any doubts. Okay. Now, the last thing that we have for today and for this whole workshop is case statement. Case statement, just like your if else in Python. Okay. So here you have region, continent, all these things. Okay. So for time being, what I'm going to take is I'll take distinct continent. I have these distinct continents. Okay. Now let's say, suppose my thing is I want to have a column and give them numbers. Okay, give them numbers, rank, number, or anything. You getting my point? Yes, you can take that. You can take that. Where clause comes before group. Okay, so basically, if I want to give numbering, let's say, suppose Asia is what we say highest in area as well as population. Asia. Then second number Africa. Third number Europe. Fourth, I think so, is North America or South America? North America. Fourth one is North America, then South America, then Australia or Oceania that we say, and then Antarctica is at last with population. And when we talk about area wise, so first is Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, then Antarctica, and then what we say Oceania or Australia. Understood the sequence? Let me write it somewhere here. One second. First is Asia. First we have is Asia, then Africa, then was Europe, then was NA, North America, or this side North America, South America, Oceania, then Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay. Distinct, Niranjan, we have discussed this distinct in the first session. This is used to give the unique result. Now I want to create this sequence. Okay. I want to create this sequence, or I want to give numbering, ranking based on population. For example, okay, once again, let me write rank the countries, sorry, continent based on their population. So see how we are going to do this. Distinct country, distinct continent only. Distinct continent, comma. Here, see what I'm going to write. Case when continent equals Asia, then 1. Sorry, then 1. We usually write like this. Okay. When continent equals Africa, then 2. I'll better write it here only, no? When it is Europe, EUROPE, Europe. Then 3. When it is North America, then 4. When it is South America, then 5. When it is Oceania, is 6. Else it is 7. When it is Antarctica. Antarctica. You have to give the else statement as well. So else 0. End as ranking. The grouping statement. You want to give a this space, so better use selected and tab. Give a tab space. It's like switch. This is like kind of if else. When continent this, then 1, continent Africa, then 2, Europe 3, North America 4, and this is this. So you see the number over here. Antarctica is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to sort it, you can sort it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also, by default, you don't get this thing, like this ranking. You can order by ranking. Order by ranking. Understood? Everyone, is it clear? Distinct we have used just to show the unique continents. Otherwise, I'll do this thing. Now you see Asia, 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 Asia. A lot of repetition is there. Just to avoid that thing, I've used distinct over here. Just to avoid that, we have used it here. So understood this thing, all of you? Clear? I'll give you 5 minutes, quickly go through it, and then we will just wrap up this workshop. We don't have anything after this case statement. This is our last thing. This is the basic level of SQL you now know. Now, further, I will suggest you start practicing SQL. Now you will ask question where we will practice the SQL code. HackerRank. The best website is there, HackerRank. You can just code it there. Practice the coding, sorry. No. HackerRank. Hacker rank. No, we'll not go through these advanced topics. These are advanced topics. We are not going to do that. This is an advanced SQL. Cursor, trigger, stored procedures. These are advanced options. These come under advanced SQL, not basic SQL. Let me check if I can unmute you guys. How to do that? Guys, can you unmute yourself? Can you check if you can unmute? Check if you can unmute yourself. No? 1 second. Okay, first tell if there is any doubt or not. Everything is clear. I don't know where to allow them to speak. No. No, I'm not sure where to do this thing. Okay, first tell me if it is clear, all the things that we have done till now. Only 3 answers. What about others? Go to view options. Where view options? View option of the screen and unmute. No, I don't have that option yet. No. No. While and for loop is not there. No, it's not here. While and for loops are not there. No. It's not necessary. At this point of time, it is not necessary to learn. The spelling is wrong. Shiva, the spelling is wrong. It's Antarctica. TARC. Show me the full error. Show me the full error. Guys, please fill up this form and we are good to go today. Best of luck for your future and start practicing SQL as well. That I will suggest you. And yeah, that's the thing. I think so. Today was our last yesterday was the last workshop and last kind of training as well. Now next week, I think you'll be learning SQL. Sorry, not SQL, Excel and VS Code. So yeah, no, not Flask, Excel and VS Code. Okay. No, I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that. Some other mentor is there that is going to take. He is going to take. Okay, guys. So we will wrap up this. Kindly fill up that form and best of luck for your future. Hello. Can you hear me? But recording वो automatically save होगी कि नहीं वो नहीं पता.